Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened a OTC pair and as of now I am going with buyers. Okay, here if you notice the chart particularly, I have total plotted 4 levels. 2 are trend lines, 2 are horizontal levels. Okay, here if you notice, there is a zone previous which the trend line has been breakout. As of now, the market is looking, and you can easily understand by seeing itself, you can understand the market is moving in a sideways. Okay, so here if you notice, previously from the top the market has came down to the support area and making a U-turn. So now just now the momentum has been started. Okay, so far here you can understand the points clearly. Okay, that's the reason only I'm going with buyers. Okay, up to the next top, which was the level plotted, up to there I will go with only with buyers. Okay, here again I will go with buyers only. Why? Because as of now left side I didn't see any level. Maybe if possible sometimes the rejections will come, but with the margin of safety we can win easily. Here let me plot one more trade. Why? Because margin of safety. Before videos also I used to say these things. Whenever you are going in a momentum, in between you could expect 1 or 2 candles which will be a retracement. Again the market will continue easily. So you should understand these points whenever you're trading in a momentum. Even if you observe in the left side, there is a selling momentum. After 2 buyers, again the sellers have been entered up to the weakness, which was the area. So you can check these kind of points in the market every time, everywhere. Okay, see here we got a retracement. What's the next candle now? In the middle you got a retracement, you have a momentum, still there is no level. What is your next answer? So easily you can continue again with the buying candle. So whenever you are in a momentum, try to trade with the momentum only. You may think I got 1 candle or 2 candles, maybe the market will reverse, but no, but maximum try to major levels, so you will understand the market easily. Okay, as of now if you check, the market wants to go up, so you can understand points, each and every point clearly. And here if you notice, the buyers are interested and the buyers are getting stronger comparing to the basic candle. If you note the where the support area the market has been started, continuously the buyers are trying to strong, so easily we can win this candle. Okay, now what is the next candle? Yes, again you can go with buying candle only. Why? Because as I said before, there are no levels in the left side. You can continuously go with the buyers, because these kind of continuous momentums maybe you may get sometimes only, because most of the time in the left side you may get more levels. Maybe it could be 2 green 1 red. These kind of situations mostly will be happen, but try to take a trendy market which will be helpful for you, because in the trend every time you have a new high new low, because in this case you can follow the momentum easily. By this you may get quality trades. When the market is in a sideways, the range is small. Here the range is somewhat big, it's good, but when the range is small you may have clumsy area and the candles will get weak, and secondary the levels are instantly breakouts, fake breakouts, these kind of things will be happen. So try to take this kind of market which you can feel good to take trades also. Okay, here I got one more trade for the buyers only. Why? As the reasons you know before only. Okay, still there is a gap and we are following the momentum. If you notice one thing, in the down where the support has been started, if you notice one thing clearly, there is W pattern, maybe one type of confirmation to go with the buyers. Okay, so you should check these all points, because you may understand the market clearly, because this makes your multi confirmations. Okay, the main things should started only when the market enters to the levels. In the middle we can trade easily, but at the levels we should have multiple confirmations, otherwise sometimes we may win, sometimes we may lose. And most important point, after breakout also we should take care. Here just now there is a gap up, Here one I will go with sellers. Why? Because the level is strong one, but I have a momentum. What should I correct? See here in these kind of cases, it is a 50-50 chances. Sometimes the sellers will enter, sometimes the buyers will enter, because we are in a momentum first of all, but at the end the candle is a spinning top, which was related to a spinning top, but the candle is rejected from the level and it was a gap up. So that's the reason only I am going with sellers here. Maybe it is a strong candle, means I could go easily with buyers, but here I have a doubt, 50-50 chances. So that's the reason only I'm going with sellers here. Let's see what will happen. See, the levels have been entered, so we may get confused. So get ready. See, at the end we got a buying candle. Okay, at the end we got a buying candle. Here now I will place a this also a 50-50 chances. Why? Because now I am going to trade a buying for. Okay, so this time I have made a conclusion. What is that? First of all, the breakout candle is a weak candle, so sometimes after breakout only you may get a reversal. I have mentioned this point in the before videos itself, but as of now, why I have taken margin of safety means these kind of areas which will be a retracements only. Okay, because these kind of areas you may get retracement. So retracement means, which means a weak candle with a lower rejection. So that's why I have taken the entry point at the previous level itself. Even if it is a retracement, it will close exact above the candle only, because it's a retracement. Okay, here I have a confusion. Okay, anyways, still there is a gap. I will go with sellers here. No, let me check. Okay, this will be it's a strong area. Yeah, easily here we can go with sellers, because there is a strong area trend line which was a strong area. Let's see what will happen. Anyways, I have gone with sellers only. Let's see what will happen. Sometimes it may break, sometimes it will respect. So I have said you before only, when the levels have been entered, the things will be more complicated, because here all 50-50 chances. Even if you understand, sometimes you may confuse too. Okay, this candle I got loss. Okay, now I will take a confident trade. How I can say? Okay, now I will go with sellers only. Why I am going with sellers? Do you have any idea? Okay, let me take the trade first. Okay, I have got the trade. Okay, here if you notice, the market has been coming from a support area. Now the market came to an end where the top resistance, which was the trend starting point, the trend line which I have plotted. So now it is also a breakout. So this all enough, but I will plot a horizontal level now. Okay, let me delete the trend line now. Okay, I will plot the adjust the trend line horizontal. See, this is my major level. So major levels are more respected. So easily you can expect a selling candle from this level. If you see, there will be a trend. So easily these are considered as a strong levels. So easily from here you can go with sellers. Okay. Okay, can you guess what is the next candle now? I have said you one thing, it is a strong level. You should expect minimum 2 candles. So easily you can go with sellers here. But I didn't get an entry point. Okay, I will do one thing. Let me get some more down, because I will take a rejection trade if possible. Okay, the level is still, the candle is in the level only. Okay, I'm waiting for the entry. Yes, I got nice entry point. Okay, I have taken in the favor of rejection, because as I said before also, the level is too far, so maybe the candle will close above the level. This is a strong level, so maximum it will be a big candle only, but let's see how it will be. But you should understand this point, it is a strong area, so you can expect a selling candle. Okay, so here if you notice, finally there will be a weak rejection, yeah, which got saved our entry. Okay, Here, what is the next candle? Here, there is a strong candle. Here is a 50-50. Sometimes market will make green red, or sometimes it will go with downtrend. So in rejection only, I have gone with sellers. Let's see what will happen. With the margin of safety only, I have taken the trade for selling. But let's see, because here there is no area at all. The market has reached the top resistance level. Maybe the market will take some support. Up to then, market may move sideways, or market will make two red, two green. These kind of situations will happen. Okay. So here the buyers have been entered. Okay. What is the next candle? Here you should notice one thing. There is no support at all. It was in the level, as I said before so many times. So here you can expect only a sideways market. Don't think the market will go up. So here there is a rejection from the top, which was rejected from the selling area, previous resistance, which was made by reset. So easily you can go with sellers as of now. So you should take these kind of confirmations whenever you are trading in the market. Okay. So maximum try to take trades at the valid levels only, because if you understand the levels, you can trade easily. See, before what it was happened in the middle of the trend, we can trade easily, but at the levels, we may have multi confirmations, which are possibilities for the both the candles. So when you have this kind of confusion, try to don't take trades at those areas. If you have clarity, take trades. Okay. Here the candle, if it is closed exact at the level, I will go with buyers. Oh, finally, yes. Okay. It has been closed exact at the level. As I said before, previous resistance, now support. Okay. And one more thing, the candle has been rejected. It has both kind of wicks, which was no new low, no new high. It was sideways. Clearly, you can understand. And you can say this thing also. Red, green also you can say easily. So I have multiple confirmations to go with buyers here. So easily I could go with buying candle. So you should check these all points whenever you're trading. Okay. See how the candle is forming. So that's why I used to say always try to focus on the levels only, because you may get more clarity, because levels say a lot. Okay, finally I think we got a win, and here I should change the chart, because after this winning I will try to change the chart. Okay, we'll check the Euro USD pair if possible. Okay, let me change the pair for you. Here the candle is strong, so okay, we'll change the pair. Here I could go with buyers with the margin of safety. Okay, I didn't get. Okay, I'm going with buyers now. Okay, why I have gone with buyers? If you notice from the down, if you notice, the market is trying to make a U-turn, which means a market is slowly making a new high, new low, new high, new low. But as of now, if you check last 5 candles, there is a momentum. After that, you got a 2 retracements, which was a weak. Can I expect one green candle here? So in this logic only, I have gone with buyers. Let's see what will happen. Okay, here finally the sellers have entered. Okay, what's wrong? Okay, here I will go with buyers now. Why I have taken buyers means, okay, previously if you notice there is a weakness, whatever it is, it's okay. But as of now, if you notice, the previous candle wick, which was rejected from the horizontal support area, from the down, it has been rejected. So, and the candles, the momentum is not strong. So that's the reason only I have gone with buyers here. Maybe it is a strong candle, means I could follow the momentum sometimes, but here there is no interest in going buyers. So maybe there could be a valid level in the downside. Up to there the market will reach, and again it will take support and it will go up. So let's see what will happen. So these kind of situations also will happen. Okay, here finally we got a weak candle. Okay, oh, it's a doji candle. Okay, what is the next candle? Can you predict? As I said before, there are so many times. In the middle, we have a momentum. 1 week doji candle. Still there is a gap for the level. What you could expect? Yes, you can go with sellers here. Why I have gone with sellers means, previous was a buying candle means I could think that there is a buyers still left, but there are no buyers. It's a doji candle, which is a indecision candle. So here I have only one option, which is a momentum. In the middle, I got a doji. So I need to continue the market. So that's the reason only I'm going with sellers here. Okay. Okay, I think this is my last trade. Why? Because I think I have taken so many trades as of now. Okay, guys. Okay, I will show you, I will predict the next candle. I will close the video. Okay. Why? Because here there is a nice opportunity regarding trend line. Okay. After this winning, I will draw the trend line and I will close the session. Okay. Here, let me show you. There is a trend line. Okay. Here easily you can go with buyers. Okay. Okay, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you.